Hey guys, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise and hope you all would be doing great. So in today's video, we are talking about one of the most stunning bloomers, Asiatic lilies. I'll show you how to plant these bulbs to make them bloom beautifully right at home in pots or containers. Before going further, a small request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification about my new videos. Asiatic lilies are among the easiest lilies to grow. They come in gorgeous colors like yellow, orange, red, pink and white, and they are known for their upright stems and clusters of bright, unscented blooms. The best part? You can grow them easily from bulbs at home, even in containers. To grow strong and healthy lilies, the right potting mix is key. Lilies love loose, well-draining, slightly acidic soil. Here's a perfect mix you can make at home. Mix your potting mix well and fill it into a pot that's at least 10 to 12 inches deep with good drainage holes. Add some pebbles or broken pot pieces at the bottom to improve drainage. I've filled the mix. Now just water it thoroughly and let it sit overnight to let the mix settle down and absorb the water. Now with the help of any tool, just till the upper layer of the mix. Now it's time to plant your Asiatic lilies bulbs. Make sure the pointed side is facing up and the roots downward. Plant them at a depth of 2 to 2.5 times the height of the bulb. Keep at least 4 to 5 inches of space between each bulb. After planting, gently water the soil to settle it. Place your pot in a bright sunny spot. Lilies love at least 6 hours of daily sunlight. Keep the soil slightly moist but never soggy. Overwatering can rot the bulbs. If you are growing them indoors, choose a bright balcony or window with plenty of indirect light. And that's it. That's how simple it is to grow beautiful Asiatic lilies from bulbs at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more easy gardening tips and tricks. Tell me in comments which color of lily you love the most. I'll come up with the next part and update on this. Till then, thanks for watching. Happy gardening.